Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo. Now, today I have the big guys here from Nakuru, the content creators, wangwana wenyewe, wazito. And we want just to see their journey on the industry of content creation. Camera lady, twende nyuma kidogo.
Po mimi naitwa Miguel Africa. Pia unaweza nita Miguel on the beat.
YouTube channel?
Miguel Africa.
Thank you.
Mimi naitwa Moments with Alice. Yeah, my YouTube channel ni Moments with Alice.
Moments with Alice.
Mimi naitwa Mike. Mimi naitwa Mike Wanjala. Yes. YouTube channel ni It's Wanzala. It is Wanzala.
Yeah. It's Wanzala. Madam Director naitwa Wangeshi Wainaina, YouTube channel yake. So enda kwa hawa wase wote, piga hizo subscription na tu support tu. Ebo Alice. Maybe Alice, what are some of the challenges? We want just to talk about the challenges that the young YouTubers are going through. Inaitwa YouTube chipukizi. What are some of the challenges that you are going through?
Sawa, okay, sawa.
You're a lady.
Okay, so challenges that we go through in YouTube, like there are so many. Like for me personally, I've gone through a lot in YouTube. You can talk about hizo data bundles.
About? Usikate data?
Hizo vitu kama data bundles space.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing with the YouTubers wadogo, like, you know, when someone tells you you want to start a YouTube channel, they always tell you start with a good phone, start with a good camera or good equipment. So, you know, as a young person, you'll just drain down and say that I want to start a YouTube channel with a good phone and a good camera. So, uanze channel. Then also with data bundles, when you want to upload your video or maybe join other people's videos, you have to have enough data and enough bundles. Unapata kama kuna do, like unaona venye sahi life ni hard, you don't have money to purchase the bundles, you'd rather eat rather than purchasing the bundles.
Oh, so bundles zinakugonga?
Bundles zinanigonga mbaya. I have to wait, like, you know, I don't have Wi-Fi. And it's better you have Wi-Fi because, you know, uploading videos also takes a lot of time and a lot of data, and also joining people's videos pia ina take bundles.
Okay. Now bro, what about you? What are some of the challenges you are facing through as a young YouTuber?
Okay, kwa YouTube challenge ya kwanza inakuwa about data bundles. Because in Kenya unapata data ni expensive, fanya hapa hivi in Kenya data ni expensive sana. The second thing ni marketing. Oja kwanza upcoming YouTuber marketing yake, like kumarket inakuwa ngori sana cause unatumia mtu link anakuambia amewatch kitu na hajawatch, so una push sana na uoni vitu zikimove poa. So hiyo ni issue nyingine yenye tuko nayo. The second issue ni quality. Wajua pia YouTube wanataka kitu quality. So lazima pia utafute, like ukianza YouTube lazima utafute tu phone poa cause YouTube sio lazima uanze na camera, unaweza fanya tu na phone na vitu zisonge. The second one ni support. Wajua YouTube pia inataka support cause hata kama ni marketing lazima ulipe ndio mtu pia akufanyie, au wenye wanafanya marketing pia walipe ka kitu ndio akufanyie marketing yako. So hizi ndio challenges, na pia lazima ujue kuna koga pia na hackers, kuna koga na watu wenye like kuna tu vitu mob huko YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So he has explained what is happening with him, especially number one, the way Alice has said about data bundles. Number two, about marketing. It's very, very difficult for a small YouTuber to get as many subscribers or watch time as compared to those big subscribers or the content creators, big YouTubers. So I think he has highlighted some of those things, and maybe we want to hear from Wanzala. What are some of the things that... again, he has talked about hackers.
Yeah.
So hackers, tafadhali, can you see some mercy? Give us some mercy. At least I cannot get my 100,000 subscribers and then you go away with my channel.
Sad sana.
So sad. In fact, I was to cry about what am I? Bro, Wanzala, tell us about your challenges.
So my main challenge, inaweza sema, it's like finding your niche. Yeah. You know, right now I'm starting, and sometimes you want to upload a video and you're not sure which particular video to do. So you are just over there, yani uko kila mahali. So that is my main challenge right now. But with the time, I'm gonna find my niche, and yeah.
Okay. So what about the subscription, whatever? Have you ever begged somebody to subscribe to your channel?
So far I haven't, but sometimes when I tell people to subscribe to my channel, they subscribe, and then when it come later, I don't know if they unsubscribe or what they do. I'm not so sure, but that thing
It derails the morale.
yeah, of course.
Okay, I think YouTube you should give us also some support here, because when I get 20 subscribers and then tomorrow I get 15, it heartbreaks.
Sure.
Yes. So Alice, what's your feeling this day, this one day, single day? You have just slept with let's say 100 subscribers, and tomorrow you have 150 subscribers. What's your feeling?
To me,
Alice here, she's used to holding she's a YouTuber, so
okay, according to me, I can really feel bad. Like I sleep with 100 subscribers.
No.
Okay,
I'm saying, I'm talking about the increment. Yes, you have 100 subscribers, and tomorrow you get 150 subscribers.
Yeah, okay.
What's your
For me, I can really feel okay, like really nice. I can even celebrate, because getting subscribers in YouTube is not easy. Like even getting just 2 subscribers in a day, si kazi rahisi. So when you just wake up with 50 subscribers, it's something to celebrate about and also to be happy about. Like when I was about to get to 1,000 subscribers, it was really a hassle. You get like 10 today, the next day you're back to 900 and something. So I can really feel happy, and I can even celebrate about it. Yeah.
How many, one particular day, the best day,
Like
you wake up in the morning and you get how many, the increase, how many?
Okay, the best day I've ever gotten a lot of subscribers is when I got like 70 subscribers in a day. That is when I was nearing 1,000 subscribers. I don't know which video brought those people. I've not yet checked well, but I got 70 subscribers in a day. But the worst, like sometimes I even go a day without getting even 1 subscriber. And yeah, we are used to it nowadays.
Okay. We have here a victim of, it's called what? Of channel loss. Bro, how did you feel when you lost your channel?
Oh, so bad. Nilifeel vibaya.
You had how many subscribers?
Nilikuwa na 16,000. Yeah.
And then?
Kuna today nilipost video asubuhi by the nikatoka naenda kufanya content nikuje ni post. So ile content nilieka asubuhi niliacha ikiwa 10k views. So mimi kurudi hivi nataka niweke video yenye nimetoka kushoot. Napata hapo nimeandika misomo, but kuna song nilifanya iko na copyright, then mwenye song akakuja ka drop my channel. Yo.
What was your feeling, bro?
Ilikuwa bad. Nilichukua 1 week, siku hata nataka kurudi YouTube, hata wewe ndio uliniambia nianzishe ingine. So nikaanza YouTube, at least saizi niko 1500 subscribers na feel fit tena. Na ita grow tu pole pole. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, bro, how many subscribers have you, not subscribers, but the views? As in, you have a video, you have uploaded, and it has got so many subscribers. How many, approximately?
I think
The one that kind of blew up.
I think the one that I did with Alice, it got me like 7+ subscribers.
70?
7. Right now I have like 26 subscribers, around 26. The one that I did with Alice, I got like 7+. So that boosted my
What
channel
about views? You have uploaded your video, and tomorrow you see maybe you have like 1,000 views.
The highest so far is 300, around 300, and I felt so happy. Hey, that feeling, that feeling that kuna watu wenye wanaku, they appreciate what you're doing.
Yes.
Yeah, the fact that unajua watu they are watching your content, that thing huwa ina motivate. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Alice, you know sometimes, how long did you take since you started thinking about opening a YouTube channel? How long did it take for you to start now? the idea it has come? Is it immediately? You took some months, you took some weeks? How was it like?
I took years. Like, I wanted to start a YouTube channel when I was in campus. And, you know, when the way you see you, I started watching like Miss Trudy when I was in campus. And I was like, let me start. I can do this thing. I can do this. But I don't know what always kept bringing me down. Like, it kept just...
Wait. It gives you a weight
Yeah,
button.
it gives me a weight button, and I didn't start a YouTube channel. I came to start a YouTube channel like 2 years or 3 years later, which was something that really, I didn't like it. And I tell people that when you want to start something, or be it a YouTube channel, be it anything, just start it the moment you think of it. If you have something that can make you do that thing, because we know we have the potential. Don't always like think that you can't do something, just start it. I wish I started my YouTube channel back then. Sahi hata ningekuwa 50,000 and something.
Okay, maybe in terms of collabos, Miguel, have you done any collabo?
Yeah, nimefanya collabo mob sana. Yeah.
Collabo not in music, I know you love music so much, but on content creation.
Kwa content saizi bado sijafanya collabos. Yeah.
Okay. Probably today will be your first one.
Yeah, this one itakuwa first.
Yeah. What about you?
I have done like 2. This one is my 4th, 5th. I think 4th. So far I've done 2 collabos. One with Moment with Alice, the other one with Wangeshi Wainaina. So far.
Okay. What was the reception like?
Hey, it was...
Is it something that we should keep on doing because it gives us so many views? Because probably Wangeshi's and Alice's Moments with Alice, maybe you got a milestone. Kind of. What was it like? So
what I can say, like, we should do this more of the collaboration, not only for the views, but also to boost like right now the Nakuru content creators. Yeah. Like so many content creators come from like Nairobi and mostly Nairobi. So I feel like Nakuru, it is our time. So like we should come up, do content that promote our city. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. In fact, I love your content. It's Wanzala and Moments with Alice, and also Wangeshi is coming up very fast. You are showing us Nakuru. Hey. But how is it? Unajua, sometimes we work like today. Actually, today in the morning, I tried to run for some like, was it 5 kilometers? Not even 5 kilometers, like 3 kilometers. But like after, when I sat down, I felt like I have some pains. How is the journey? Maybe when you walk, how long have you shot a video for what distance?
Okay, for me, I really can't tell how long I've shot a video, because there's a video shot like, it was in Eldoret. I shot about Eldoret town, and I really walked through the town, and I think it was the longest, because the next day my legs, like, I was just feeling so much pain. Like, I do walk a lot while shooting videos, because it also gives you the chance to get into the places that you can't get with bikes and cars and everything. It's always interesting, though sometimes you get tired. It also needs you when you're full and you're good to go. Kiwa na njaa, man. No.
But I'm told, okay, that's where now your support as a viewer is very important. There's this issue, I'm told, that Eldoret, they don't allow, the county government of Eldoret doesn't allow people to vlog. Is it true?
It was last year. I shot it last year, so I don't know, because I was just, the way I shoot my videos, no one knows I'm filming. So yeah, the video was there and it has gotten views and...
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to wrap up. Your last submission, bro.
No, answer no.
Your last submission.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching us and support us. Check us out. Okay, my channel name is Moments with Alice. Go and check me out. Run my playlist, guys. I'm on my way to monetization and I need those watch hours. So please check me out and yeah. And also keep supporting Nakuru YouTubers and all the content creators. It's not easy outside here.
Thank you. One Miguel Africa.
Yep. So okay guys, tumemaliza content, na kama wewe ni mniwa hapa hivi, don't forget to subscribe. At least tujue tunafanya kitu na nimeshukuru sana. Mimi naitwa One Miguel Africa YouTube channel.
And mimi naitwa It's Wanzala. I'm at a road to 100 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, make sure you come to my channel, subscribe, and also to other people's channel. And yeah, support is everything. Let's push the Nakuru content creators to the next level. Yeah.
Aya, Alice and Wanza, all of us who are here. Oh, let's not forget our our director. She's
Wangeshwa Inaina. Subscribe, support hizi channels.
Probably Alice, everyone here, Alice, Juan Miguel, it's Wanzala, and can we promise viewers something of collabos at least once in a while?
Sure, yeah. If I'm around, I'll do collabos back to back.
Yep, tushaanza collabos na sasa zita drop daily.
Yeah, me I'm ready for collabos. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we shall be tutazungumza vizuri, but be ready for that. Anything can come around, and make sure Moments with Alice, make sure unafanya nini? Unafinya subscription. I'll be putting a link for Moments with Alice, Juan Miguel Africa, and also for It's Wanzala. And not forgetting our able director. She's Wangeshi Wainaina. Make sure you subscribe to their channels, and life should go on. Support one another. Your view, your like, your comment is very much important. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yep.